Back in 1992, my family and I visited the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Oh, and please excuse the fact that I had absolutely no sense of style at the age of 13. It was overcast, hot, humid, and I could tell some thunderstorms were brewing as we were getting ready to leave the Space Center. Once on the highway heading back toward Orlando to my grandparents' house, I knew we were in for quite a wild ride. This is my grandpa driving. My mom and dad were in the car too, and I'm in the back seat with a video camera. Good thing, because there was about to be a lot of rain and lightning.
Look how dark it is. Got that lightning. Ooh, all of a sudden it come up, didn't it? I got that lightning on tape. Ooh, that looks like a good storm. Let's go into it. Should we stop and wait for a while or what? Are we going into it? Yes. Good.
The storm gradually gets more and more intense the further we go.
I want to get that lightning on tape. Sure, getting it all on tape. Wow. I got that all on tape. Real good one. They're the worst.
with continuing service to Providence. Your flight this afternoon is under the command of Captain Burley. I am Rob Bovart, your first flight attendant working out.
Well, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And be sure to stay tuned for more exciting content.